Hello, welcome back. So this problem's a little tricky. It says the approximate volume in millimeters, M, for a volume of F fluid ounces is equal to 29.57 times the value of F. And then it says which table represents the relationship. Well, in reality, what we're looking here is we're not really looking at what volume is. So that's kind of like a distractor for us to get lost on and start thinking, okay, I'm gonna look at my STAAR reference guide and then I'm gonna try what's the value for that. I mean, you can, but in reality, it's the same relationship. But I think if you let yourself get bogged down in that, you're gonna get confused. Let's write out the equation of what it's telling us. It says the volume M, so the approximate volume M, if our volume of fluid ounces is equal to, so that means we're going to write equal to, and so we have M, and then we have equal to, and then we have 29.57 times, so that means that we have 29.57 times the value of F, so then I'm just going to put F there. Now we have no plus constant. And then it says what is the table which best represents this relationship. So that means that this is if I have no plus constant, or my plus constant, I have one, but that plus constant is 0. That means it is a problem that's going through our origin. Now, right off the bat, because I know that it's going to go through my origin, when I talk about going through my origin on a table, that means that I'm going to have a 0, 0. So, I'm going to look at this, and it's going to discount H, and that's going to discount G. So now my only two possible answers are F or J. Well, I need to make sure that I understand what these values are going to be equal to in terms of, I need to look at my slope, because my slope is my M value. My slope is going to be equal to 29.57. This is capital M, not lowercase m. So let's not get confused with my slope and then the capital M. And that means that if my slope is 29.57, that means that my x value, well again, now my x value needs to be 1. Now, in terms of my table, the first column is always going to be x, and my second column is always going to be y. Okay? And so I can, right there off the bat, I can now also discount f, because f does not have my slope of 1. So the only possible answer choice is J. Done. Easy. Don't get bogged down. Don't let yourself get confused. We could double check it, take it a step further. Let's look at this slope. So that means that the change, when I go from 29.57 to 59.14, that means that it should have a change of 29.57. Let's see. And it sure does. I'm adding 29.57. And we can check it further all the way. 29.57, 29.57, and then of course each one of these is a change in 1. Alright, really straightforward and simple, not too difficult. Again, remember this is 8th grade math, so it should be fairly easy. I'll talk about problem number 9 in the next video. See you then.